Hey everyone, this is Tyler from Big Lakes Dodge here in High Prairie, Alberta. Today we're going to be talking about a used vehicle that came in on trade. This is a Chevy 2022 Silverado 1500 LTD High Country. The exterior is black and the interior is jet black. The engine we're running on this right now is a DURAMAX 3-liter turbo diesel. It's a 10-speed automatic transmission. It's got the remote vehicle start, braking and tow haul mode. It's got the auto track 2-speed transfer case, trailer brake controller, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, and it's also got the teen driver mode. It also comes with the splash guards on the wheels there, on the front and rear. Then we got this cool tailgate with the side step here. And then it's a double tailgate here, you just hit this. So if you're gonna haul some stuff, like some boards or something like that, so they're not dragging down, and you just hit this one. Also comes with a 120 volt AC plug-in. And you got your lights in the box as well. Then you got a little handle here. Help you step into the box. It's also got that spray and bed liner that you see. It's got the 20-inch wheels with the nice rims, aluminum rims. Nice gloss black interior. Exterior, sorry. High Country badging. And then it's got the chrome tow hooks in the front here. Alright, let's hop inside and then I'll show you how it looks like on the passenger side here. Got some storage, couple cup holders, and you got your auto window. You hit it once, it goes down. Your power locks, and then you hit your auto window once, it'll come up. Got your power seating on driver's and passenger side. Got your lumbar control here, your up and down, back to front. Got your Chevrolet WeatherTech matting. And then inside here you got your warranty information, your manual and everything like that. And you also got a little bit more storage up here. Oh yeah, and this also has the Bose sound system. Forgot to mention that as well. Let's hop into the back seat. A lot of storage on the back seats here. Got some nice wood grain finish. And then you got some WeatherTech matting here as well. And then you got your nice little pockets in here as well. And then the cool thing about this truck is that you have the back of your seat storage. And then you got your cup holders here as well. Can't have any spilled drinks in the back seat, can you? And then you can lift this up. Got your jack under there. And a little area here, like a little block off spot so your tools don't run away on you. Alright, let's hop on the other side. Now that we're in the back driver's side, more storage. You got your wood grain finish again, your windows. The back windows are tinted. And you also got your rear sliding power window. And then it also has a defroster wire in there. And you got more storage in the back of your seat here. And then you lift this up. You got a little, that extends from this side over here. Got a little extra matting in case you want that. There's that nice Chevrolet matting. And in the back here, you got your climate, not the control, the directional flow. Got USB-C, USB. It's got a 12-volt plug-in. All right, let's hop into the driver's side here. Oh, we also got your rear blind spot monitoring system. You can see right there. That'll flash up if somebody's in your blind spot back here. And you got your memory seats. You can set the memory for each key, power locks, mirror control, power windows. They're automatic as well. You hit that one, and you hit that one, it goes down. And then you hit them both once, and then they both go up. Got your electronic park brake. Got all your window control, light control, your dimming and everything. You got your trailer brake, stuff like that. The modes, 4 high, 4 low, 2 high auto. And let's hop in, I'll show you something else in here. Now that we're in the driver's seat here, got a lot of things you can do on your driver cluster here. You can switch it back and forth. You can go from the home, it'll give you your speed of the highway you're driving on, and then your speed, and then your info, and then it'll show you what channel you're listening to. Right now I got it on Sirius XM. It has a trial run on it. Or if you got AM, FM, you prefer listening 6:30 Ched to listen to the hockey game in the coming winter months, that'll be nice. And you got your navigation, but you got to accept the terms and conditions on there. And it'll pop up your nav on here instead of having to look back and forth from here to here for your nav. And then if your phone's connected, it'll give you your notifications up on the front here. And all this units, info page options, your display, your home, speed warning, software information, all that fun stuff. Get back here. And you got your cruise control, all that stuff. You got your heated steering wheel. Excuse me. You got your lane management. You got your park assist, your auto start and stop for if you're driving down the highway in the cities. And then you're at all the red lights. And then once you're stopped, it'll shut off your engine so you can save gas. And then you got your tailgate. To open your tailgate, you just pop that. Your hazards. And then this is to turn on the power for the 12-volt plug-in in the back. And you got your hill descent control as well. And this is your traction control. And here's your trailer brake. So if you want to set that, you just squeeze it in and then it'll figure out how much you need to add, how much pressure you need to apply to your trailer. Some more USB and USB-C plugins. And you got another 12-volt. You got another, not another. Then you got a wall plug in here. The cool thing about this vehicle is that you got a wireless charging pad here. So if your phone's equipped with wireless charging, you just plop it down there when you're driving down the highway, so you don't have no use for cords. Got a little bit more storage down here. Keep your mail in there. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it has it on this side as well. And you got your key. The key is equipped with the remote start, and then you can pop your tailgate open with this as well. Some cup holders. Nice little spot to put your phone. Some more cup holders right here. And you pop this open, and there's a lot of storage in here. And you got some. Then you got your AUX input, another USB, and then a USB-C. And then I think this is the navigation card, but don't quote me on that. That's just what I think. And then we'll go up here onto the screen, going home. You got your audio, your phone, navigation, your Wi-Fi hotspot, your users, settings, your Apple CarPlay and its Android Auto capable. And then you got your trailering, your apps, your OnStar services, your climate control. And it's got the rear backup camera as well there. You can zoom in. If you have your trailer hitch, there's, you can see a little hitch. It'll help you connect your trailer a lot easier. And this little section here turns a line on and keeps you straight so you know where your trailer is. And then this is a grid to help you park. Back and trailering. And you could add all these things on here. Trailer detection alert, maintenance alert, theft alert, tow haul mode, reminder. Yeah, there's all this cool stuff on here. A lot of features. Climate. Yeah. all the fun stuff, hey? Yeah, and this also has OnStar. It has your SOS, so if you get in an accident, it'll automatically dispatch emergency services to your location. And let me find, here's the rear window open. And then to close it, you just hit this. And then you got your tilt for your sunroof. And then slide it open. Just you gotta close it, tilt it forward. And you got your sunroof here. That'll be nice during the summer months. I know it's gonna be winter right away here, but it's always nice to drive with the sunroof open. Alright, now let's close this. And you got your lights. And then you also got lights on your mirror here. And then on this one as well. If you like what you see, come stop by Big Lakes Dodge here in Prairie, Alberta, and we'll be happy to help you out. Alright everyone, have a good day.